So, as you can see, we got the Box of Awesomeness April Fool's Day edition. And as you can see, the box is looking kind of thin. So I'm not really expecting much out of it. We're just going to open this normally, and I hope you enjoyed the new format, as in I'm going to be outside when I'm doing these videos now, assuming I keep doing them. It's a nice day out, aside from the 500 bees and wasps that are around here probably trying to kill me. Oh shit, speaking of which. Okay. Oh, do I not have a cutter? Damn. Oh no. Okay. We're using the phone. It actually works pretty well too. Oh, whoops. Hold up. This one's being stubborn. Okay. There we go. This sucks, dude. Okay, which one should I start out with? We'll start with this. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a mag pack. Hold on. Let's open it and see. Dude, that's pretty good. It looks like something you would put your water bottle in. And it's in camouflage. What's underneath though? What's this? Oh, you even get goggles. Okay. Hold up. How do you take these off without going insane? But as you can see here, we got goggles. You know, eye protection, so you don't shoot your eyes out when you're playing airsoft. We'll put these aside, and we'll move on to the main part, the main course. We'll start with a small box, but it looks real promising right now. Oh my god, the bees are going wild. The bees are going wild. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna face it this way so you guys can see it first. Something fell out. I don't know what it was. I don't know if you guys can see it from here. But saying from the name, I can assume what it is. It's a... Hold up. Yo, that's pretty sick. Stuff keeps falling. It's not very, that's not very cool, dude. But we got, hold on. Let me see if I can get closer. We got a Deadpool Desert Eagle. And it's presumably gas blowback. So that's pretty good. Hold up. Yup. That's pretty sick. Where's the mag? The mag looks very used though, but that's to be expected from the Evike Box of Awesomeness. Oh damn, dude. It's pretty damn good. It's pretty damn cool. Okay, I think this might have been the main course of the box. So let's see what the final thing in the box is. Oh, hold on. We got I think this is a beanie. Hold on. Let me pull it out. It is a beanie. It's a cap. Hold on. Oh. What's this? I don't know what that is. Okay. Oh god, my hair. Let's move on to the actual part of the box. Well, I say that, but I think I pulled out the Desert Eagle, and that's probably the best part of the box. This is weird, though. Hold on. It seems to be a weird futuristic rifle. I don't know if you guys can see it. Looks pretty good, though. I say it looks pretty good, but I'm very unsure about it so far. Let's take it out and see what's inside. It's wrapped in typical wrapping paper. It's not really wrapping paper. It comes with garbage BBs. And I think this is, I don't even know. I think these are thread adapters. Let's take it out of the box. Oh god. Look at this thing, dude. Okay, let me get closer. Let me get closer. It looks very weird, as you can tell. It feels very plasticky. The mag's kind of small too, but it looks pretty good. It has some weird ergonomics. It's not bad, but it's not great either. It's like an M4, but with a weird grip at the end. It even has the M4 based stuff, like the carrying handle, the retractable stock. You even got the safety and full auto switch. The mag is kind of like that too, and it's apparently called the Star Dragon or Dragon Star. I don't know what it is, dude. But it's very interesting. This is not exactly my taste because you already know what I like. But at least we got a cool Desert Eagle out of it. So in the end, I paid about $220 for all of this. So far, it seems like the Desert Eagle is the big part of the box. It's the one that has the most value out of anything in the box. And this alone probably paid for the rest of the box, honestly. I haven't looked at what's inside the boxes, what I could have possibly gotten. But so far, getting this alone seems like a very big win. It seems very functional. Everything looks alright from the inside. The magazine doesn't seem to be leaky. So the slide pulls back too. The slide release works. And it's Deadpool. It's branded. So it's pretty, it must be pretty high value. We'll see about that in a moment. So let's check what we got in the box, yeah? So just as seen as on the site, it's the Box of Awesomeness Flash Edition, April Fool's Day. No M4. Okay. If we scroll down, oh, we found it already. So as seen here, we got the Desert Eagle licensed L650 AE Action Express Full Metal Gas Blowback Airsoft Pistol Maximum Effort Edition, aka the Deadpool Edition. Just call it Deadpool, yeah? And that thing was worth $245, which was a lot more than I expected, but to be fair, once again, the branding must have spiked the cost up quite a bit. So the thing I never knew about, the other gun, the Ikazuchi Type 0 Mid-Range Battle Rifle Airsoft AEG, is worth $145. It's basically an M4, but it's not an M4. So, yeah, we don't talk about that. We also got goggles, yeah. So apparently that thing was a beard mustache thing that goes around, you know, you get it. And a beanie, of course, which we got. The only thing I'm annoyed about is that the spork isn't in here. I looked through it. This video right now, this part is taken a day after I did the opening, and I didn't see any spork in there, but I did find the supposed poster, which is this thing. Hold up, let me see if I can show it to you guys. Whoops. Whoops, my bad. Ugh. Ugh. Featuring Evike's brand boy, our favorite boy. I might hang this up. I don't know, but it's pretty good. It's pretty cool. But we didn't get the spork. What's that about? I didn't see the spork in there. I went back outside. I didn't see the spork. I'm actually annoyed about that. I don't know why. But besides that, hold up. Besides that, so $245. The Deagle itself paid for the box for us, which is pretty good deal if you ask me. And the other guns does a bonus at this point. So we paid okay, as seen here, we paid $219, $220 basically for over $300 worth in value of stuff. I call that a win. I call that a win, dude. Pretty good win. Not to mention there's only 20 winners. Normally when I do these openings, I'm usually one of the higher end stuff. Like, not really the higher end stuff. We get the highest chance to get the 50 winner stuff. Oh, 80 winners. So we actually won pretty hard. So we didn't win this, which is good because, you know, 80 people, that means it would be more common than my 20. 60 here. 20 is a pretty damn good deal if you ask me. I consider this a win. Well, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I've been away from all these airsoft unboxing for the past few months. I took up another hobby and took up all my time and energy and also money. Sorry for the overlay as well. I've been streaming on Twitch, and speaking of which, you should go follow down below. You can watch me eat shit in Elden Ring. If you guys want to see any other video game, I can just request it down below, you know? just request it in my Twitch when I'm streaming, and I'll consider it. And like I said, if you enjoyed this video, just like, subscribe, and put a comment down below as to what I should open next. I don't think there's many airsoft loot boxes out there, but if there are, feel free to hit me up, and I'll consider buying one myself with my own money and opening it up on video. Yeah, I'm spending money for your guys' entertainment. I think that deserves some support, yeah? Hit me up, hit me up.